Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have a Pontiac. It's our car here. Beautiful, nice. It's a brand of GM, Chevrolet. They're all the same. It's a Pontiac and we are here try to see if we can program the remote. They have a remote here and some of them they have a manual programming. Some of them they don't. But I have a console 3 plus, console 3 plus, no. I have this tool here, Maxi 608. Let's see if we can program this car. Can I take diagnosis? No, let me go back. I'm gonna go to IMO, accept. If you notice on IMO, he asks you a disclaimer. Go by VIN, auto detect. He said diagnostic program loading. I don't want diagnostic program loading, but let's go. I say okay. Pontiac G6 2008. By the way, this is a silicone part. It's very good to keep the remote good too. So what I need to do, I'm gonna go to hot functions. I don't want this one. Control unit. Remote scan information. I don't need this information, but it say okay, PCM part number. Now I'm gonna go remote learning. Ignition must be on, so let me stop the hazard. Okay, now gonna go okay. Maybe you have to push both of them or remote will be erased. Say yes. Now hold lock and unlock button for each remote and wait till it beep. So I'm gonna push here. It's gonna beep. It's supposed to beep. Okay. So I gotta do it one more. It doesn't take. Yeah, it's already take it. I never hear a beep, but if you notice it, it take it already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say okay. Here is the procedure. All remote control must be programmed within 60 seconds. Press and hold lock and unlock button. You see procedure complete. Okay, so we are done. Everything is okay. It worked. Let me push the panic. Okay, the trunk is open. I'm going to take the ignition out. Lock, unlock, walk. I don't know if this car have a remote start. Let me push lock, and push and stay. Maybe the sensor is from outside. Unlock it. Let me go out from here. I'm exiting the learning. Let me take the key out. A second. Good. Car is start.
Thank you.
Yeah, unlock it. Car is running, remote is start. That's it. Less than 5 minutes. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.